Alright, ayos. Ay lang, picture tayo, picture. Congratulations for your work. Alam lang lahat yan kung gaano makakabilis maglaro ng bola. At least may chance yung masuot ng gintong medalya na yan. Wait lang. Congratulations Sir Raro for most power plays. Yun no, buti umabot sa Rivera. Alright, picture po tayo. Congratulations po sa inyo sir. Outstanding performance po.
May we call on our first runner-up for the LDRM Inter-Alumni Basketball League, Team Greyhound. Please proceed po sa gitna po, Team Greyhound. Ang mag-represent po ng ating trophy po ay walang iba po ng Presidente ng San Antonio Valley 12, si Colonel Rodolfo Cano. Together with our commissioner, Boss Ron Bonode, and immediate past President, Erpacto Serge Monton. Well done guys, well done. Napakaganda ng pinakita ng laban. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations po. Uwi tayo next season. Alam mo yan. Napakagandang laban. Pinakita niyo ako na. And for our champion, walang bakit niya, Team Greyhound. Please proceed po sa gitna to receive your awards. Maraming salamat sa napakagandang laban na pinakita ninyo. Yun o. Ano, sakto lang ang medals? Alright. 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. Sige ulit, let's go! Tamang tigang po sa iyo. The champion receiving 15,000 pesos! Congratulations sa inyo! Lahat po na kasama Team Greyhound, please proceed sama po sa picture. One, two, three. Meron, sama ko meron. Okay. Grabe, malupit. 3-point king lahat.